Hello, Tom. How are you today? You look very energetic.
Hi, Mary. I'm doing great today. Maybe it's because I had coffee.
Ha ha! Coffee always helps. I'm feeling good too. Thank you for asking.
That's nice to hear. It's always good to start with a smile, right?
Today, we have a very useful topic. We will talk about how to talk about yourself in English. Many people feel nervous about this.
Yes, very nervous. Sometimes people don't know what to say, or they say too much.
Exactly. Talking about yourself should feel natural, not stressful.
And it can be fun too, especially when you feel relaxed, like us now.
Talking about yourself helps people know you. It builds connection and confidence.
It's useful in many situations: school, work, or meeting new friends, even online.
Yes, but many learners worry about mistakes. That fear stops them.
Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes, all the time.
Tom, do you remember your first self-introduction in English?
Oh, yes, it was very short. Very, very short.
How short?
I am Tom. And then silence.
Haha, that's honest at least. A strong start. The best advice is to start simple. You don't need long sentences. Simple is powerful.
Yes, simple sentences sound confident and clear.
For example, your name, your age, your job or study.
These are safe topics, easy to talk about, easy to remember.
Let me give a simple example. I'm Mary. I'm from Cambodia.
I work as a teacher. I enjoy learning new things. Very easy.
Yes, no pressure, just facts.
Facts don't judge you. They just explain you. That's comforting.
After basics, you can add personality, your hobbies, your interests.
This makes you more human, more interesting, more memorable.
For example, I like reading books. I enjoy music.
Or, I love coffee, like me.
Haha, of course. Coffee is your personality now. When you talk about yourself, smile. Your voice matters, not just words.
Yes, tone shows confidence. Even simple words can sound strong.
You don't need to sound perfect, you just need to sound real. People like real.
Perfect English is boring anyway. Real English feels warm, like a conversation.
Talking about yourself doesn't mean only you talk, you should also ask back. That feels polite.
Yes. For example, what about you?
Or, how about yourself? Very simple.
This makes the conversation two-sided, not a speech, a chat.
Tom, have you ever talked too much about yourself?
Maybe once or twice. Okay, many times.
What happened?
The other person slowly walked away. I was still talking. Very sad.
That's a good lesson. Balance is important. Talking is sharing, not showing off. One mistake is memorizing long scripts. That sounds unnatural, like a robot.
Yes, and robots are scary, especially speaking English robots.
Another mistake is comparing yourself. Don't compare. Just be you.
Everyone has a different story. Your story is enough, always.
Confidence grows with practice. Small steps, every day.
You can practice alone, in front of a mirror, or with friends.
Record your voice. Listen to yourself. You'll improve.
And don't be too hard on yourself. Confidence needs kindness from you.
So today we talked about the basics. How to start talking about yourself simply and naturally.
We shared tips, some laughs, and real examples.
In the next part, we will go deeper. Daily life and hobbies.
Stay with us. It gets more fun and more confident.
I hope you're feeling more relaxed now. Ready to continue?
Yes, if you smiled in part one, that's a good sign. Confidence already started.
Today, we will go deeper. We'll talk about daily life and hobbies.
Daily routine is a great topic. Everyone has one, so it feels safe.
Yes, you can talk about mornings or evenings.
For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to work at 8.
In the next part, we will go deeper. Daily life and personal stories.
Stay with us. It gets more fun and more confident.
I hope you're feeling more relaxed now. Ready to continue?
Yes, if you smiled in part one, that's a good sign. Confidence already started.
Today, we will go deeper. We'll talk about daily life and hobbies.
Daily routine is a great topic. Everyone has one, so it feels safe.
Yes, you can talk about mornings or evenings.
For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to work at 8.
You don't need details, just simple actions, simple time.
Simple English sounds confident. Long explanations feel tiring for you and listeners.
Exactly. Less pressure, more flow.
Can I be honest?
Of course. That sounds dangerous already. Go on.
I talk to myself in the morning, in English, before coffee.
That explains your confidence and your craziness. You can also talk about home life. Very common topic, very friendly.
For example, I live with my family, or I live alone.
Yes, you can mention pets too. People love pets.
I always mention my dog, even when nobody asks.
That's your personality. Your dog is famous now.
He should start his own podcast, in Barking English, very advanced.
Hobbies are powerful. They show who you are beyond work.
Yes, you can say, I like reading.
Or, I enjoy cooking. Very simple.
Choose hobbies you enjoy, not hobbies you want to impress with. That's important.
Yes, honesty sounds confident. Pretending sounds stressful.
And stress is bad for English. Very bad. English runs away.
Tom, what if someone has no hobbies?
Everyone has hobbies. Sleeping is a hobby. Very professional.
I agree. Resting is underrated. You can talk about likes and dislikes. That's very natural, very human.
For example, I like coffee. I don't like waking up early.
Everyone understands that. Even without perfect grammar, emotion helps.
You don't need to explain why. Just share. That's enough.
Yes, talking about yourself is not a test. It's sharing. Now let's talk about personality. This is a little harder, but useful.
You can start simple. I'm friendly. I'm shy.
Simple adjectives are powerful. You don't need fancy words. Simple works.
I usually say, I'm friendly but slow in the morning.
That's honest and funny.
People remember honesty, especially funny honesty. It feels real.
When you talk about yourself, you create connection. That's the goal.
Yes, not perfection, connection.
If people smile, you're doing great. Grammar doesn't matter.
Short stories help a lot. 1 or 2 sentences. That's enough.
For example, last weekend I cooked for my family. They were happy.
That sounds warm, very human, very confident.
But remember balance. Don't overshare. Keep it light.
Yes, English practice is not therapy. Not yet.
That's true. Save that for later.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes, like walking.
At first, you think about every step. Later, you just walk. English is the same. AI voice can help too. Practice listening. Practice repeating.
Yes, slow speed is good. No pressure.
Confidence grows quietly. You don't notice at first, then suddenly it's there.
If you feel nervous, that means you care. That's good.
Caring leads to growth. Growth leads to confidence. It's a cycle. Today, we talked about daily life, hobbies, personality.
And we laughed a little. That helps learning a lot.
In part 3, we will talk about work and life experiences.
Your English is growing, step by step.
I hope you're still comfortable. Let's continue gently.
Now we'll talk about work and study, very common topics.
Many people feel nervous here, but we'll keep it simple, as always.
Talking about study is easy. Just say what you learn and where.
For example, I study English at a local school.
That's enough. No long explanation needed. Simple is confident.
Tom, did you enjoy studying English?
Sometimes yes. Sometimes my brain wanted to escape very fast.
That's honest and relatable. Work is another big topic. But don't worry, keep it short.
For example, I work in an office. I'm a teacher.
You can also say what you like or don't like, just a little.
You don't need to complain. Keep it light. Keep it friendly.
Yes, first conversations are not complaint sessions. Save that for close friends. Tom, have you ever made a mistake at work?
Of course, I once replied, "Love you," to my boss by accident.
That's unforgettable. Did your boss reply?
Yes, with silence. Very powerful silence.
You can talk about skills, not to show off, just to share.
For example, I'm good at teamwork. I like learning.
Simple skills sound confident. You don't need big words. Honesty works.
You can talk about your learning journey, past and present. Very inspiring.
For example, I'm improving my English, step by step.
That sounds real and humble. People like that.
Talking about your past is okay, even mistakes, especially mistakes.
Yes, mistakes make great stories and great laughs.
They also show growth. Growth equals confidence, always.
Life experiences are powerful. You don't need many, just one.
For example, I traveled to another city. It changed me.
Short but meaningful. People feel that. Emotion matters.
Remember to keep stories short, 2 or 3 sentences. That's perfect.
Long stories need strong English. Short stories feel safe and confident.
The goal is sharing, not impressing. Very important.
Yes, confidence is calm, not loud.
If you feel nervous, that's normal. Don't hide it.
You can say, "I'm a little nervous." That's okay.
People understand. Honesty builds trust. Trust builds comfort.
After talking about yourself, ask a question back. That helps.
For example, what about your work? Very simple. Light humor helps. A small smile, a soft laugh.
You don't need jokes, just warmth. That's enough.
Confidence doesn't come overnight. It grows slowly, like a plant.
You water it with practice and patience every day.
If you're listening now, you're already brave. You're learning.
Every sentence you speak matters, even broken ones, especially broken ones.
Today, we talked about work, study, life experiences.
And confidence stories with some laughs, as always.
In the next part, we will talk about goals, dreams, and future plans.
Stay with us. You're doing great. Keep going.
You've done very well so far. Let's finish strong.
Now we'll talk about the future, goals and dreams.
Many people feel shy about this topic, but it can be simple and inspiring.
Goals don't need to be big.
Small goals are perfect and realistic.
For example, I want to improve my English. That's a great goal.
Yes, clear, honest.
You don't need timelines. You don't need pressure. Just direction.
English likes calm learners. Stress scares English away very fast.
Tom, do you have a big dream?
Yes, speak English confidently before breakfast.
That's ambitious and very specific. You can talk about growth, not perfection. Growth.
For example, I'm learning every day. I'm becoming more confident.
That sounds positive and strong. People like that energy.
Future plans can be flexible. You don't need certainty, just intention.
For example, I hope to travel. I want to learn new skills.
Simple future sentences. Very useful, very safe.
Tom, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Still learning English, still drinking coffee, still trying.
That's realistic and relatable. When you talk about your future, be open, not perfect.
People connect with honesty, not polished answers. Honesty feels warm.
It's okay to say, I'm not sure yet. That's human.
Yes, uncertainty is honest, and confidence can live with uncertainty.
Talking about yourself is a journey, from name to dreams.
And every step matters. Every sentence counts, even small ones.
If you remember one thing, remember this. You are enough.
Your English is enough today. Tomorrow, it will be better, step by step.
Tom, do you feel more confident now?
Yes, and slightly tired, but happy.
That means learning worked. Learning should feel like this, not painful.
To everyone listening, thank you for your time. That matters.
Thank you for practicing with us. You're not alone. We're learning. Don't wait for perfect English. Start with today's English. That's enough.
Speak slowly, smile often, and be kind to yourself.
This brings us to the end of our conversation today. We're grateful you joined us.
Yes, thank you for listening and growing with us.
We hope you feel more confident now and more comfortable speaking English every day.
Take care of yourself, keep practicing, and never give up.
That wraps up today's conversation. I had so much fun chatting.
Me too, and we hope you learned something new.
Don't forget to subscribe Podcast English Talk for more episodes.
See you next time, friends. Goodbye.